Hi, I'm Troy, the self-proclaimed payroll nerd. Let us clear something up about the so-called no tax on tips and overtime from the One Big Beautiful Bill, because it is not exactly what it sounds like. This is not tax-free income. It is a federal income tax deduction. That means overtime and tips are still subject to Social Security and Medicare taxes. They may also still be subject to state and local income taxes. What this does do, though, is lower your federal taxable income. Now, let us talk about what actually qualifies. First, overtime. Only overtime that qualifies under the Fair Labor Standards Act counts. That means hours worked over 40 in a week. And here's a part most people miss. Only the 0.5 premium qualifies. If you make $20 per hour and get paid $30 when you work overtime, only the $10 premium is considered qualified, not the full $30. Now, tips. Total taxable tips are usually reported in box 7 of your W-2, but that is all tips and not all of them qualify. Only optional tips qualify and only in certain fields. Mandatory room service charges, not qualified tips. Mandatory gratuity on parties larger than 6, not qualified tips. Only the additional optional portion counts. One more important point. 2025 is a transition year. The IRS gave employers relief, which means your W-2 may not clearly break out qualified amounts in box 14. You may need to use your final 2025 pay stub or request a separate statement from your employer. When it comes time to file your taxes, both qualified overtime and qualified tips are claimed on Schedule 1A of Form 1040. So remember, it is not all tax-free. It is a deduction, and the details matter. Politicians, they rate the bill. Payroll, we read the details. Follow the payroll nerd if you want the real impact on your wallet.